One of the most important things to do before you bring your hive home is deciding where you're going to put it in your yard. So you should look for a place that gets at least a few hours of sunshine every day, an area that's level so that your hive will be stable and flat. The hive stand itself should be 10 to 15 inches off the ground, both to keep it away from any ground dwelling animals from getting to it easily. And also you have to remember that you'll be building the hive up. So you don't want it to be too high. So you don't want to be reaching for your honey supers. You want it to be at a height that's easily workable. The other thing you want to be sure is that you have plenty of space around your hive, because usually we work the hive from behind. You don't want to stand in front. So make sure you have an area where there's plenty of space around the hive so that you can work. Hives can be made of wood, they can be made of cinder blocks. A hive stand, another option is a metal welded hive stand. Any of these will work as long as you have a stable surface to work on, and the width should be no more than 18 inches wide so that the bottom of the hive sits on it comfortably.